Hey folks, welcome back to All About AI Tech. Today, we're tackling a topic that's important now more than ever, energy waste. We've all seen those images of factories spewing out smoke, contributing to pollution and climate change. It's a grim picture, right? But what if I told you that AI could be the key to cleaning up our act and saving businesses a ton of money in the process? Let's jump right in. One of the most exciting ways AI is making a difference is by optimizing operational efficiency. Imagine a factory where AI constantly monitors energy use in real time, making tiny adjustments to HVAC systems, lighting, even individual machines, to ensure everything's running at peak efficiency. We're talking about a potential energy saving of 10%, 20%, even 30% or more. That's massive, both for the environment and for a company's bottom line. Now, let's talk predictive maintenance. Remember those unexpected equipment breakdowns that bring everything to a grinding halt? Well, AI can actually predict those failures before they happen. By analyzing data from sensors and historical records, AI can identify subtle patterns that indicate a machine is about to go haywire. This means companies can schedule maintenance proactively, minimizing downtime and avoiding costly repairs. It's like having a crystal ball for your factory, but instead of magic, it's AI working its magic. Of course, we can't talk about energy efficiency without mentioning renewable energy. AI is playing a critical role in accelerating the adoption of clean energy sources like solar and wind power. It can optimize the energy mix, so companies are using the most cost-effective source at any given time. Plus, AI can help manage the complexities of integrating renewables into existing grids, making the transition smoother and more efficient. Speaking of grids, AI is also instrumental in developing smarter, more resilient energy grids. Imagine a grid that can automatically reroute power during peak demand periods, preventing blackouts and ensuring a stable energy supply. AI can analyze massive datasets to predict energy consumption patterns and optimize grid operations in real time, creating a more reliable and efficient energy infrastructure for everyone. Now, for the bottom line, how does all of this translate into cost savings? Well, by reducing energy waste, optimizing operations, and predicting failures, AI helps businesses significantly cut down their energy bills. Imagine a manufacturing plant that reduces its energy consumption by 20%. That translates into millions of dollars in savings annually. Plus, companies can take advantage of government incentives and tax breaks for adopting energy-efficient technologies, further boosting their ROI. But beyond the financial benefits, there's a bigger picture here. By harnessing AI to tackle energy waste, we're not just saving money, we're creating a more sustainable planet. Reducing our reliance on fossil fuels is crucial to combating climate change, and AI is giving us the tools to make a real impact. Okay, so how does all of this work on a technical level? Well, AI algorithms are the brains behind the operation. These algorithms are trained on massive datasets of historical energy consumption, weather patterns, equipment performance, and more. They use this data to identify patterns, make predictions, and optimize energy usage in real time. It's like having a team of energy experts working around the clock to find every possible way to save energy. And it's not just about reducing energy consumption either. AI can also help minimize waste in other areas. For example, in manufacturing, AI can optimize production processes to reduce material waste, leading to significant cost savings and a smaller environmental footprint. It's about making every aspect of the operation as efficient and sustainable as possible. Now, imagine this technology being implemented on a global scale. AI has the potential to revolutionize the entire energy sector, from generation to consumption. Imagine a world with smarter grids, cleaner energy sources, and significantly reduced emissions. That's the future that AI is helping us build, and it's a future where sustainability and economic prosperity go hand in hand. But achieving this vision requires collaboration. Governments, businesses, researchers, and individuals need to work together to accelerate the adoption of AI-powered solutions. We need to invest in research and development, create supportive policies, and raise awareness about the transformative potential of AI in the energy sector. It's a collective effort that will require us to embrace innovation and work towards a common goal. And that's what I'm trying to do here with All About AI Tech. I want to create a community where we can learn about these groundbreaking technologies, share our thoughts and ideas, and inspire each other to make a difference. So please, hit that subscribe button, leave a comment below, and tell me what you think. Your support means the world to me, and together, we can harness the power of AI to create a more sustainable future. The future of energy is smart, sustainable, and powered by AI. By embracing these transformative technologies, we can unlock unprecedented efficiency gains, reduce our environmental impact, and create a cleaner, more prosperous future for generations to come. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay curious.